Hello, Bart here from Independent Games Workshop. I'm here to show you how to get started playing Underverse Online. As it shows here, we're still in public alpha test mode, so the game is still online to play until we get a working beta. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is just to create a character name. You could use any name you'd wish. I'm going to use my name. My name's Bart. So I'm going to hit Create Character. And it's going to take me in, and I could just choose the basic default character here, select character. Now in here, this is our basic new revised main menu that we're going to be using from now on. It's a lot different from the old one. Lots of improvements, very simple, clean design. I want to turn the music off here. But basically, a few new options. First of all, you could kind of click through the feature box here. You could choose which feature you want to view. If you want to click and find out more, you just simply click, and that should take you to either a website or forums to keep you guys up to date. We have three buttons here: Play Online, Visit Websites, and the Sanctum. Now the Sanctum is a feature that's going to be coming soon. That's going to be coming with our Proving Grounds release. More on that later. It's kind of cloak and dagger, but really exciting stuff. So you'll definitely be hearing about that soon. So anyway, let's get started here. So I'm going to show you a few basic options that you need to know. First of all, on the upper right, we have two options. The first option is to change your landmass color. We have 4 basic skins. Each of them has colors, and you could choose which ones you like. Go back at any time. Now, if you want to exit this, all you have to do is just kind of click off screen, and it should take you right off. As for the next one, this next widget up here is basically your power selector. And simply click that, and that should give you all sorts of powers that we have available for testing up to the current release. So we have all sorts of powers up here, and the way it works is if you want to choose a new power, you basically just kind of click, and you could click and drag and just put it in any of these slots that are highlighted green. So maybe I want to put that here. You also get some basic information down here. You could click to cycle through each of the powers. If you want to equip it, you just go ahead and drop into the slot. You could also move them around like this. One thing to note is powers sometimes have a gold kind of outline, and what those are elite powers. So this is an example. Another example is this, and the thing about elite powers is you can only click one at a time. So if I want to if I want to equip this, as you can see, I can't put them here, but however, this is highlighted green, thus I could replace it. I could also take them off. I could put a new one in its place. I could put, like, say, a regular power in there. I could also grab an elite, and now since I don't have any elites on my power tray, I could put that just about anywhere I want. And that's pretty much all you need to know. Once you're done, you just click off screen, and as you can see here, now we have a new set of powers that we're going to be playing with. So now you're pretty much ready to go. Before I do that, you also have some menu options up here. You could access your powers, your landmass. My character and market are not in yet, as well as friends and enemies. You could also change some settings down here. And that's pretty much all we have for right now, which we'll be adding to it as we go. But, you know, this is an alpha, so pardon the dust. So, next thing that you want to do is actually start to play a game. All you have to do is just hit Play Online. Now, the first screen that you see are 2 different options. We have the match types, which we only have 1 versus 1 at this point. And then we also have game maps, and we have 2 maps at the date of this video. You could just choose a random map, which will basically pair you with anybody that has a game open, and it will just basically choose the first available map, or you could start to choose your own if you have a preference. Planar Rapture or Cavernous Ruin. So these are kind of the 2 options, all you need to really worry about, and after you're done, you just go ahead and find match. And basically, this will kind of keep running down until another player joins. Right now, I'm just running off my local server, so there's no one else to play with. But the next tutorial will show you how to play the game, how to move and how to attack and a few other tidbits. Until then, thanks for watching and enjoy.